treat your skin like royalty. Discover our DIY nourishing body mask with coconut oil, aloe vera, honey, and avocado. Your skin deserves this luxurious pampering. Say goodbye to dry, dull skin. Coconut oil deeply hydrates, aloe vera soothes, honey locks in moisture, and avocado revitalizes. Feel the difference instantly. Don't wait. Pamper yourself today with this natural, rejuvenating mask. Your skin will thank you. Try it now and glow with confidence. Mash 1/2 ripe avocado. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix until smooth. Apply evenly to clean skin. Leave on for 20 minutes on your body and rinse off with lukewarm water. Use weekly for soft, glowing skin. Perform a patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Don't forget to detoxify your liver before using the mixture. Ready to rejuvenate? Try it now and see the magic.